it's early in the morning, it's dark outside, full moon, time to go to the airport. Do you know why? We're flying actually to Edinburgh today, to Scotland, from London to Scotland. Looked at all the prices and it made sense to go by airplane, and I'm quite glad because it's given me the chance to get back on a plane after my experience in Greece, which I'm being a little bit nervous about, but I feel okay actually. I'm quite excited to go back to the airport with my daughter Jasmine, who you haven't seen in a little while.
Hi.
So yeah, are we ready to go?
Yeah.
We're hand luggage only, so come with us. Let's take you on our journey from London to Edinburgh. The internal flight from London to Gatwick was a really short flight. It was just over an hour. We thought it'd be quite easy and quite straightforward. Time for checking in for purple parking, which we love. We are on the bus. Alright, so here's the airport. It feels a bit weird that we're just going to go straight to the security because we've got no bags to check in. And I'm actually quite excited about this. Where are we going? Don't normally do this one, do we? Departures, arrival. So, I'm not sure what we've got to do. What have we got to do? Just literally go through security?
I don't know, that's what you said.
Yeah, let's give it a bash. They'll soon stop us if we've got something wrong. It's so quiet in here. It's literally in the middle of the night. So this time she's coming with me through these departures. And we're not standing there being upset. Well, my bad. I was very organised as I was packing with my liquids, but I left my No. 7 face cream in my bag, so they gave it a good overhaul, didn't they, Jazz? But the man was really, really nice, very straightforward. So we're through security, and guess where we're heading? We're heading to, what's it called? Duty free. Duty free. You almost don't feel like, way, that smell, isn't it? That smell of duty free. Well, there it is over there. Let's go. How pretty does this look, all done up for Christmas? It's super cute. But we're going to get a free bit of perfume, because you always get a free bit of perfume.
I don't know what I want.
I know what I want. I want that DKNY apple one. Nice and fresh for a plane. You kind of need too heavy. It makes the person next to you feel a bit icky.
Thank you.
It's a men's one. Does it smell nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not how I like a man to smell, but it's quite nice. They like seeing you. We've got 2 hours, so we're going to get some food and stuff probably. So we didn't realise Nando's do breakfast, don't they? But we've come to Witherspoons because it's really cute in here, and you know, I think they do gluten-free, don't they?
I don't know if it's stated as gluten-free.
I thought we had gluten-free toast once before, but maybe not.
Oh, they might do.
I don't know, but it's cheap. You know what you're getting. I love the way everyone has a beer, a fog in the morning. The airport's lovely and quiet. We're nearly off to our gate shortly. It's all gone really smooth. I did get a really good all over, didn't I, at security?
Yeah.
Left my cream in the bag as well. This is Gatwick South that we're at. We don't normally fly from Gatwick South. We're down here just in front of the toilet. There's a water fountain. It's free. You can fill up your bottles of water. So we've got big ones that we bring empty for security and then fill them up there. What is it then?
No, where else are the Oh no, there might be weights on the bottom or something. Oh no, they're not bags, they're on the bottom.
What are they?
I was just thinking It looked like a load of like sports bags.
It was quite bizarre to do an internal flight. Never done one of those before. It's always been international, but it felt quite different. But nonetheless, it was otherwise pretty much the same. We just didn't have to show our passports and things like that. So we got on the plane and had a lovely little flight up to Edinburgh. We weren't actually able to check into our hotel until quite a bit later in the day, so we spent a little bit of time in Edinburgh city itself.
Right, so we're off now. The weirdest thing is that we don't actually know what we're doing or where we're going, but it was cold out there. It felt like Scotland, didn't it? Yeah.
So it's a very small airport, so we're just going to make sure we use the loos before we go anyway, because we don't know where we're going next, but we're going to find out.
Mum, we're speaking to them. Hi.
Oh, hi. You're not in it.
I'm not in it. I should be in it, but I couldn't. So we're feeling very nomadic right now. Just sitting here trying to figure out where we're going and what we're doing, aren't we?
Yeah. And we found out that there's a tram. My hair's slapped me out of the plane and it's gone a bit. I know, I've gone a bit fluffy. So we're going to get a tram
And then, yeah. Never done this before. Might as well try it quickly now.
Yeah.
Before we go and see the world.
Okay, so we're having a little rejiggle of our bags so that we can walk around the city quite easily. So we're going to go and have a little explore of the city. Wrapped up with the coats. The Iceland coat has come out because it is Scotland, it is pretty cold. But yeah, we've got to find out where to get the tram. So that's the front of the tram. It looks a bit Scottish. Scottish sky outside.
A bit rainy.
Yeah, a bit rainy. The trip on the trams was actually quite reasonably priced. I think it was about £14 and we could stay on it and it was a ticket for the whole day, hop on, hop off. But we went straight into the city, into the main area where we could see the castle, Edinburgh Castle, and then we went into an art museum to have a look around there.
It hurts. It's not funny anymore 'cause it hurts. Your face.
We found this Harry Potter type looking building, which I thought was probably a university, and it turns out that it actually was. Let me know if any of you have been here. And Jasmine said she thinks they may have used this for Harry Potter. I'm not too sure, did they or not?
To be, 'cause it's never over until it's over.
So we come up a big hill and there's Edinburgh Castle up there. We try and make it up there, be cute. So this is Edinburgh Castle. I don't think we're going to go in there. And it's really busy. I can't believe how busy it is. Can you believe how busy it is?
All been said and done. I'm glad I fought, oh, I wished we won.
We had no clue where we was going, so we had to use our maps on our phone and speak to some people about what to do. And we ended up getting a train and going over the Forth Bridge, which is quite a famous bridge, and there was 3 of them in the end, and I'm not a fan of bridges, so I was a little bit freaked out by this. It was the biggest bridge I think I've ever seen in my entire life.
The sun. Let's just forget, leave it behind. It hurts, I can't keep loving you 'cause baby it hurts. Two birds, one tries to fly away, I'm hearing your words. Yeah.
Okay, so we've just got off the train at this station, Dunfermline Queen Margaret. We're standing here under this because it's raining and we got very wet, didn't we, today? We were trying to call a cab. And I said to Jazz, well, I thought to myself, we'll get off there and we'll get in the coffee shop and wait for the cab. But look, I forgot we're in sort of Scotland. Not sort of Scotland.
We are in Scotland.
Yeah, it's what I call Scotland. So yeah, we need to try and get an Uber. If Uber's a thing, hopefully. It's been, yeah, it was hair raising going across that bridge. Didn't like that. Don't like bridges at the best of time. And the fact that we got up at like 1 o'clock this morning, we're a bit tired, we need to go to sleep. Hopefully we can get into our hotel and get some rest and a bath and all of that, which will be lovely. Right, we've decided to walk because there's no Uber drivers available. Apparently it's 1.2 miles, it's going to take 25 minutes. I'm not sure it's going to be that long, but anyway, we're going to have a go and see how we get on. Feet are hurting already. There's no taxi. There's a bus stop.
There's a cycle route.
Oh, it's going a bit wrong. This is a very unpleasant walk. We keep getting lorry juice up us as well. I know I'm laughing right now, but I'm actually not laughing. I want to be there now. I need a wee. It's wet and raining and cold. Oh, but the trees are pretty. We finally found it. Taking us forever. 13 hours of, feels like walking for 13 hours. Need to rest now. You know when you think something was a good idea and then you're like, no, bad idea. Well, morning. As you can tell, we're in a travel lodge and had a blinking lovely night's sleep last night. So today we're going into the city centre once again to go to a beautiful venue to have a little look at a dance competition. So I might show you a few snippets of that, and it's, yeah, lovely venue, so come with us. Good morning from a travel lodge that's been well slept in, it's fair to say. We've had a couple of great nights sleep. We're normally Premier Inn girls, as you know, but we couldn't find one around here that was available because I think it's Halloween weekend or something like that and half term. So Edinburgh is very, very busy. It's also very, very rainy outside, but the trees are looking pretty. I know you're watching this a little bit way off in the future, but it's really rainy. The trains have been cancelled and we are going to have to try and find a way to get to where we need to go in Edinburgh Central, and then from Edinburgh Central to the airport. So there's trams in the centre of Edinburgh, as you would have already seen, and so we're going to give that a try. But we might need to get an Uber from the hotel across there. So we're just checking out now. Come with us to see how this adventure pans out. But we did have the greatest day, didn't we, Jasmine? Yesterday
We did.
we had the greatest day. So our moods are up, and nothing can stop us. I'm not too sure though if those black clouds are going to be a slight challenge. Look, it's really, really raining, Jazz, outside. Really raining, but I have got my Iceland coat over there with a hood, so hopefully the hair might survive, but who knows. Anyway, let's go. After all the dancing was done, we had to get ourselves back again, which was quite a long way. It was about 45 minutes drive from the airport, and the taxi driver asked us to pay with cash, which I didn't have any, so we went to get some, and then the roads were flooded, the rivers had burst their banks, and we was completely stuck.
A few attempts at it. I want to see how deep it is.
Yeah.
It looks very deep from here.
There had been very severe weather warnings, but we was able to finally find another way to get around, but it was very serious up there at the time.
I'm glad I fought, oh, I wish we won.
So we've had a cheeky Mackey's without the bread, of course, but we're gonna go and find a venue. Tired girl. So time to start walking up the road again now. Got about a 10-minute walk, so it shouldn't be too bad, but I'm not too sure about the weather. Wet underfoot, but we don't want to get wet because of obviously being on the plane. I'm talking to myself. So yeah, there's a few buses running today, but no trains, and yeah, weather warnings all over the place, so hopefully we'll be all right to get back later. I don't know what we're going to do if not, because Jazz has got appointments in the morning, but anyway, oh, it's just like to rain, so
after we had a lovely last dance with our friends, we got in another taxi to get back to the airport, only to find out that our flight was severely delayed. And I mean severely, it was hours and hours.
Right, it's food perfume time. What's it smell of? Caramelised vanilla and macadamia. I'm not sure. It's nice, but I'm not sure what it tastes of. It smells like. Buckingham cream.
No, that was the main one.
Right, I've spotted the DKNY. If you saw the travel out here video, you would have thought it might even be this video, I'm not sure. But see, I was looking for it and I couldn't find it. It's a really nice fresh smell. I like it. I've never owned a bottle, perhaps I should get one. I'm gonna try that. So we're trying to find out about our delay. We see a wreck of it. We're tempted to get on. Nah, it's gone already anyway. Gatwick, estimated departure 21:20. But it looks as though, surely that's not here. On my app it says...
Date of birth is 8:30, that makes sense that it would leave here.
Okay then. Well, we'll keep an eye on that. We're going to get some food. Well, this isn't very fun. So we've been really, really delayed now till I don't know when. And where we're sitting, which is quite cute, got electric and charge our phones up and stuff, is closing in half an hour. So I think we're going to have to sit out there on them chairs for like another hour and a half or something. I don't know. Is it? 26. Are we going there?
Let's just forget
Right, so we're off now. The weirdest thing is that we don't actually know what we're doing or where we're going, but it was cold out there. Felt like Scotland, didn't it?
Yeah.